First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Suprita Kumari. My name Suprita means loved by everyone, and I am very much similar as my name, well-pleased, philanthropist, and cheerful person. I am a friendly in nature. I have done my graduation from Lalit Narayan Mitra University with 59%, and I also done 6-month diploma in computer operation. I belong to Darbhanga city, which is very famous for Nargona Palace, Pan Makhan, and Mithila painting. I am a jovial girl, and I don't like to anybody remain sad in my company. My friends call me versatile person because of my adjustable nature. I like to meet positive attitude and successful personalities and also learn new things from them. I am a team spirit girl, and I don't try to hog all the credit. I am a dedicated, hardworking, and well disciplined girl. I am amiable. My hobby is traveling and making new friends. That's all about me. Axis Bank is a Indian private sector bank headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and present CMD is Amitabh Chaudhary, established in 1993. SDFC has in all over India 48,000 plus branches. It sells many products and services to corporate banking, retail banking, and small and mid-sized companies and SMEs. Axis Bank provides various facilities like retail banking, corporation banking, and international banking. It have a many initiatives like Axis Thought Factory, ASA Home Loan, and eKYC. Axis Bank Young Banker program is an endeavor by Axis Bank to nurture business leader of future by imparting domain expertise and skill set in the field of banking. ABYB is one of the 1 year program run under the two prestigious university like Manipal School of Education and MIT School of Education, Noida. So banking is a potential sector growing with an excellent rate, and we know the regularity in working place makes us too free from the rusty. Here we get an opportunity to meet new personalities and also learn new things from them. It gives the reputation in our society and provide various facilities which I think it is necessary for middle class person like me. So I want to join bank. Sir, my strength is I am a very disciplined toward my work. I am a punctual and I am a hardworking. Because of them, there I don't have any work pressure. And my weakness is I am weak in English and I try to improve it. RBI lends money to the commercial bank and charge some interest rate in a short term loan in between 1 to 90 days. That interest rate is called as repo rate. Repo rate issued by the RBI in every 6 months, and it's come under the monetary policy. The scheduled bank is referred in India. RBI include those banks in second schedule of RBI Act 42. RBI turn in only those banks who are satisfied the rule Act of 42. It was a exam day. I helped my friend. There was no photostat machine available. I supposed to I help her. So I conveyed their parent to make her prepare, and my parent conveyed their parent that she will safe here and they can study together here. And she studied and she got the good mark in that exam. Sir, I am a very disciplined. Sir, I am a very disciplined and punctual girl. I like to do all my work in time. But unfortunately, I will late and can't reach that place in presentation. I make sure I call my clients and request to I will give you the first demo in phone call, and after I reach the presentation place I give Reserve Bank of India. It is the regulatory body and jurisdiction of Ministry of Finance under the Indian government, responsible for issuing the currency note, and it is responsible for monetary policy. Main function of RBI to flow the liquidity in India. Our present governor is RBI is Sasikanta Das, established in